Ciao ragazzi, eccoci di nuovo in questo video, sempre della lezione del 10 marzo. Allora, adesso facciamo una listening dove voi dovrete completare l'esercizio di pagina 41 numero 26, ok? Allora, I start the listening, ok? E sono 3 dialoghi e dovete capire se il permesso è della cioè se il dialogo è, fa match con la frase A, B o C, ok? I start. Allora, the characters are Lara and Mom. Lara, Mom, is there anything important happening this weekend? No, I don't think so. Why? Well, can I camp out with Chloe on Saturday night? Yes, and Friday night. Her mom and dad are going away, but her big sister will be there and we can camp in the garden. Mom. Has she asked her parents about this? Lara. I'm not sure. Mom, listen, I think you need to find out a bit more before we decide. Why don't you invite Chloe to come and stay here while her parents are away? Lara, but Mom, it'd be more fun in our garden by ourselves. The second dialogue. Louis and Rob. Louis, Rob, can I borrow your laptop? Rob, well, I'm using it myself at the moment. Louis, I don't need it right now. Can I borrow it later? Yes, Rob. Yes, sure. What's the matter with yours? Louis, that's the problem. I don't know what I've done, but the screen has gone blue. I wanted to have a look on the internet to find out how to fix it. Rob, you want to fix it yourself? Louis, yeah, I've fixed it before. There are some good sites that explain what to do. Rob, when I've finished this homework, I'll bring my computer round to your house. I'm interested to see what you do. I never tried to fix my computer myself. Dialogue 3. Sarah and Dad are the characters. Sarah, Dad, is it okay if I take your camera with me on the school trip? Dad, sorry, it's broken. I want to take it back to the shop tomorrow, but I can't find it. Sarah, oh wow. Dad, do you know where it is? Sarah, well, actually, I've already put it in my bag. It's been in there since yesterday. Dad, so you took it before asking me? Dad, Sarah, yes. I'll go and get it now. Dad, thanks. Why don't you use the camera on your phone on your school trip? Sarah, it's not very good. Dad, sorry, but you can't take this camera. And another thing, remember, do ask before you take my things next time. Sarah, sorry, Dad. Okay, I have just read the 3 dialogue, and I will give you the correct answer the next time, okay? Bye bye. And there is in the screen your homework, okay? Bye bye.